Oh, chapitre 7.
Galante wasn't lying. He called in a few
On
favors
est
and arranged
sorti
for
de
me to get out early.
prison, let's
Knocked almost
go!
4 years off my sentence. Now, Joe used to come visit me and, kind of fill me in on what was happening on the outside. But I tell you, as soon as I walked out of that prison gate, it was like a whole new world.
Ah, tu m'étonnes. Nice. Ah ouais, ça a pas changé. On va aller chez Joe. Ah non, c'est étage supérieur.
Vito! Hey, you break out of jail? Ah, jeez, good to see you in regular clothes and on the right side of the bars again. Welcome home. Come on in, come in, come in.
Man, I tell you, lots changed since I went away.
Yeah, I guess it has. And hey, it ain't much, but I hooked you up with a nice little apartment, just like you
Thanks.
said. Now I got a surprise for you. We're going out tonight to celebrate, and I'm gonna introduce you to somebody.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
You're gonna need a little cash so you can get things going again. I got a piece for you, too, if you want it. Ah, here. Always comes in handy. So, what do you want to do now that you're a free man?
Hey, what do you think? I want to go back to working with you again.
All right. I was worried they might have turned you straight in there.
I actually met a lot of people and learned a lot while I was on the inside. I had a much better idea of how things work.
Good thing, because I wasn't exactly sitting around on my ass while you was in there. Don't worry, though. I'll show you the ropes, like always.
All right, well, what are we waiting for? Let's go.
Jesus, I didn't expect you to be raring to go like this, but what the hell? Come on, let's go see your new place. We'll take my car and go meet your new landlord.
Ah, donc toute la thune que j'avais, j'ai
Driving so
tout
you can
perdu.
get back into the swing of things. Just hope you didn't forget how to drive while you was in the can.
Hey, what are you worried about? It's like riding a bicycle.
Sure, but when you smack up your bicycle, it don't cost a fortune to fix the friggin' thing.
All right, I get it. You're like an old lady.
Yeah.
Yeah, I sure as hell hope so. And if you ain't noticed, cars are a lot different since you went away. You'll see. Your new place is just down the street, right near the boardwalk. You're gonna love it.
Oh. Oh, ouais, il y a une nouvelle voiture. Ça, je prends. Ça, c'est stylé, ça.
Damn, it's good to have you home. I done pretty good while you was locked up, but now that you're out, the sky's the limit.
You seen Henry lately?
Nah, not for a few years now. He really felt bad about what happened, you know.
So what you been up to? We couldn't really talk about much when you visited me.
Well, after the shit Clemente and that little asshole Luca tried to pull on us, I got hooked up with the Falcone family and I started working for them.
Really?
Yeah, you'll see tonight. I told you I got a nice surprise plan for you. But don't bother asking, because I ain't gonna tell you.
Oh, boy.
Don't worry. I've been planning this for weeks.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Ah, il
What do you
traite pour
got,
les
an aversion to red lights?
Falcons. Du coup, c'est la partie entre guillemets
All
été
right, this is
sans.
close enough. Park here. Go check the place out. It's on the top floor. I already paid the first month's rent for you. And hey, the entrance to your garage is on that side street over there.
Thanks, Joe. I appreciate it.
Hey, and about tonight, we're going to a real classy joint. So buy yourself a nice suit. They won't let you in this place look like an ex-con.
My kind of place.
Que mon appart, il est.
Okay, here we are. I'm sure you'll find it to your liking. I live in a similar apartment
Je m'en
myself.
fous.
As you can see, it even comes with a telephone at no extra charge. And here's the bathroom, clean and modern, with all the hot water you could ever want. And here is the master bedroom. And there is the master's bed. It's comfy, with room enough for 2, maybe 3. And it doesn't squeak. Always a plus in my book.
Je m'en fous moi tant que je peux aller dedans.
I sure hope you like your new apartment, sir. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Just one question. When are you leaving?
Now, if you'll pardon me, I have to go and check out another client. Goodbye now.
Yeah, see you.
Casse-toi. Alors. Où le drink? Oh, le truc de match à 3, incroyable. Ça, j'aime bien. Le Tommy. Ah, le costume de Tommy du incroyable. Tommy Angelo, le meilleur personnage de Mafia. 3 confondus. Hein. J'ai pas vu le All Country, mais. Les 3, c'est le plus charismatique. Je vais prendre. Tiens. Voilà. C'est parti. Bon. Oh, ma voiture. Alors, c'est où? Oh, juste à côté ça. Ok, bon. Qu'est-ce qu'il a à nous dire, Joe? Où il est décédé? Non, je pense
Jeez, I
pas.
thought you was gonna be a no-show. Not bad. Nice material.
Thanks. So, what's the plan for tonight?
You'll find out. A friend of mine's coming to pick us up. I met him when you was on your little vacation. And show him some respect. He's kind of an important guy.
Oh, yeah?
You'll see in a minute. Here he comes.
Hey, Joe.
Hey, Eddie.
Here I
How's
am.
it going?
Not too bad, not too bad. Oh, this your buddy?
Yeah, this is my pal Vito. Vito, this here is a good friend of mine, Eddie Scarpa.
Nice to meet you, Eddie.
Same here, Vito. Okay, fellas, I'm dying for a drink. Let's go. Hey, Vito, you want to
Okay.
drive? I had a couple of drinks already. So, you tell him where we're headed, Joey?
Nope. All he knows is that it's a surprise.
He's gonna love it.
I fucking hope so. Unless he got into the, funny business in the can.
Hey, what are you two talking about?
Don't worry about it. You'll see.
Hey, come on. We might as well tell him now.
Hey, you waited this long. We'll tell him in the car.
Et la voiture, elle est.
All right. Let's go, Vito.
Hey, you know, it would help if you told me where we're going.
Head to Oyster Bay.
Ok, c'est parti.
Okay, so Vito, what was the one thing you missed the most when you was in the camp?
Freedom.
Yeah, well, but besides that.
You know, booze, broads, baseball, everything.
Now you're getting closer.
What are you guys taking me to a baseball game?
No, we're taking you to the classiest cat house in the city, Vito.
Cat house, huh? Wow.
Whoa, you don't sound too excited, Vito. Come on, don't tell me you don't want to have some fun after all that time.
Hey, don't worry, Vito. These girls are real professionals. If you forgot how to do it, they'll get you back in shape in no time.
We're gonna have a ball. Oh, hey, remind me not to drink too much. There's something I gotta take care of later.
What's
Il est
more
déjà bourré,
important than
lui.
pussy and booze?
You know how it is. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Hey, Vito, come on, step on it, eh?
Alors.
So I talked to Leo Galante about you, Vito. He said you were a real stand-up guy, and he told me all about the shit that Clemente tried to pull on you guys. But between you and me,
Oh
why'd
non,
you
ne me
get
dis
into
pas
that
qu'il
line
est en
of
train de se
work?
faire.
I mean,
si.
we all got our reasons.
Well,
Oh non.
because you know, I don't want to end up like my old man. And
Oh no. Yeah.
look, I figure nobody's gonna help me, so I gotta
No.
help myself.
You do. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Scram, baby. So, Vito, listen. I work for
J'en peux
Carlo
plus.
Falcone.
Je n'en peux plus de
and,
ce jeu.
We're looking to expand our operation. Joe's been working for us for a while now, and since you're a friend of his, we'd like to extend that offer to you as well. What do you say?
Après ça, South
sure,
Park à la
interested.
scène
All right,
chelou là.
let's drink to it.
Maintenant,
Here's to you
ça.
guys. And
C'est
to a
trop.
bright future together.
Le mec qui parle.
Touch him
I
down.
can't be drinking too much tonight. I got some business to take care of.
You had a plenty money 1922. You let other women make
Talk
love
about a
to
horse's
you.
ass.
Why don't you like some other men do?
Really? Carlo's a real smart guy. He's into, you know, astrology.
You mean astronomy?
Fuck you, you fucking cum dumpster.
Sorry, ladies. Looks like I gotta get going.
Shut your goddamn pie hole. If you want to use your mouth.
You fellas ready to go?
Vito! Yeah, let's go. Hey, get up, Joe!
If you had prepared 20 years ago,
Hey, I'm going home. Good night, you whores. Hey, where the hell is my car? Somebody stole it. Hey, call the fucking cops, man.
You're staring at it, you lush.
Huh? Oh, yeah, good. Hey, where's my keys?
Vito's gonna drive. He's the least fucked
Let's
up out of
go.
all us.
Yeah, next time for us, Joe. More pussy, less booze.
Oh, ils se dépêchent les frérots là.
So, how'd you like the place, Vito?
A lot better than playing I just Zeech in the showers, huh? Oh, what the hell's that stink? Eddie, you puke?
What? I wouldn't puke in my own car.
What the hell is that smell then?
Oh, yeah, I'm smelling it too.
Must be Frankie Potts.
What? That asshole puked in your car?
En fait, c'est moi qui suis bourré entre les trois là.
He's in a trunk.
What?
What?
Hey, it's all your fault, Joey. I told you I had some fucking business to take care of, and you went and got me drunk.
Hey, since when does business to take care of mean dead guy in the trunk?
Ouais, si ça passe là.
Hey, whoa. Hey, calm down, Vito. Hey, I aspetta. We'll figure something out.
What's the figure? All we gotta do is bury the stiff. I already got his spot picked out, up by the old observatory.
You got a shovel?
Sure, it's in the trunk. And the hole is already dug. All we need to do is chuck him in and cover him up.
All right. Where's this hole?
A little ways outside of town, there's a path in the forest to a small clearing. That's where the hole is.
Oh, j'ai peur.
Hurry it up, will ya?
Oh, j'aurais tapé dans la voiture, je me serais fait poursuivre et tout là.
The stench back here is fucking killing me. Oh, stop. Now, I'm gonna hurl.
Il va pas venir dans la caisse comme ce fou.
Too late,
Bravo.
Ah,
Beau gosse.
Christ, Eddie, that fucking reeks.
Oh, hey, it's his car.
Yeah, but that smell, plus the other smell. The only way it could get worse now is if he craps himself.
Bon. Ah, mais c'est l'an de fou là. Oh, ok, non, ça va. Et c'était on était à l'autre bout là, non? Ah ouais. Comme ça? Ouais, c'est bien. Pas mal, c'est pas mal. Ouais.
All right, we're here.
Vito, go pop the trunk.
Is that a joke? That's great. That's just great. Yeah.
God damn it, new shoes. Jesus Christ. Fucking Christ almighty. How long this guy been in here, Eddie?
Just a couple days.
You're gonna have to get him out of there, Vito.
That's just great.
I can't handle the smell.
Some fucking welcome home this is.
Oh.
Ah.
Hey, mother. Hey, here's a hole. Right here. Dump him in.
finally done. Okay, now who's gonna bury him?
What?
Give me a minute to get a hold of myself. Can you just do it? Every time I get a whiff of the guy, makes me have to puke. And Eddie's not gonna be any help here.
Fine, whatever.
Hey, fellas. How about a little music, eh?
You gotta be kidding me.
Good night, sweetheart. Well, it's time to
This
go.
wasn't supposed to be part of your homecoming party, but it's nice out here, ain't it? I ain't been in the woods for a while.
Yeah? You won't be liking it so damn much after I smack you with this shovel.
Allez. Enterrer un mec normal.
Oh, Vito, do not change.
Let's go.
Okay, Joe. It's Dino. Return to
You guys kidding me with this?
It's only my favorite song, Scott.
Oh, my dear, I'm so lonely.
Oh my god, poor Dino.
Ça me tue. Ceux qui chantent, non? Ah oui. Moi j'ai eu peur. Quand je tapais une voiture avec les flics à proximité, c'était finito là. Tu le sens qu'ils sont à moitié bourrés les frérots, ils galèrent. Hein.
This is the best part, the Italian.
Hey, come on, Vito. You know this song, right?
Oh, y a pas les sous-titres là? Oh. Soyez gentil un peu.
I don't know the fucking Italian swears. Ah, fuck, where's my motto?
Ah, c'est là on avait braqué ou par le début du jeu là? Ah, justement avec les timbres de gaz ou je sais pas quoi là. Gas stamp là.
parent company, Empire Bay Broadcasting Company, has brought the color television revolution to TV
Let's go.
screens all across Empire Bay.
Bah voilà une bonne journée. On a
TV viewers with black and white sets
les
will
mecs
not
qui
be
sont
getting noticeable
minables au terrain mec.
Sorry, Vito. Not exactly the best way to end the night, huh? But thanks.
Au calme.
I owe you one big time. Leave Eddie's car here so he can get home in the morning.
You're a good man, Vito. I'll settle up with you tomorrow. Hey, you coming in for some drinks?
It's 3 in the morning. Shut the hell up.
Hey, shut up, you whore! Come on! Look
had
out,
enough,
some
Eddie.
girls.
You're going to bed.
Look at you.
Come on. I'll call you tomorrow, Vito. Good night.
Il était court le chapitre 7.
What the fuck?
Hey, Vito, rise and shine.
Jesus! Marty, stop fucking yelling, will you? My head's killing me.
Sorry, Joey.
Stop calling me fucking Joey. What the hell's wrong with you? Vito, come on down!
Jesus Christ.
Relou. Direct dès le matin. Relou. Voilà, ça, j'aime bien ça. Je sais qu'elle y est. Je la mets tout le temps. Le temps. Bon, quoi de bien au menu aujourd'hui?
Who the hell was that? Guy's got a voice like Woody fucking Woodpecker.
That was Marty. Remember the little kid used to live down the street from me? I had to pick up the truck here, so he gave me a lift.
What's going on with the truck?
It's gonna make us some nice cash. Hop in. I'll explain on the way. You drive.
Where to?
Ok.
Riverside.
All right, Riverside it is.
Some night, huh?
Yeah, you could say that.
What? You ain't still mad, are you?
Nah, very in a stiff. That's the first thing I wanted to do when I got out.
Hey, come on. You had fun at the cat house, right?
Il y a quoi là-dedans?
I
Hein?
did. Thank you for that. But everything between then and now, not
Oh
so
là là,
much.
le camion.
All right,
Horrible.
all right. Well, listen, today's gonna be a lot better, I promise.
I sure as hell hope so.
Ok.
So what's the deal?
Simple. We just gotta go to a couple of places and unload these smokes. Then we bring the truck back to
Riverside.
Eddie and get our cut of the take. Piece of cake.
Wait a minute. I seem to remember getting thrown in the clink for a piece of cake just like this.
Don't worry, I've done this before. First stop, Riverside.
If you say so.
Trust me, you're gonna thank me later. But what the fuck are you doing?
Jeez, relax, will you?
Bon. Pour le camion, je suis à conduire. Ok. Oh là là, merde. J'ai raté. C'est pas... Excusez-moi, monsieur. C'est ma faute. C'est le camion qui est nul. Ok. C'est là, non? Ah, mais... Quel enfer. Ah ouais, la voiture là-bas. Quel enfer.
What now?
Now we take care of our customers. These guys here buy in bulk from us. Come with me. Okay, climb up and hand me the goods.
Super.
Hi, one carton of Reds.
Hand me a carton of Reds, Vito.
Attends, on vend des
Yeah,
cigarettes là?
that's the one.
On vend des garettes ici là.
Here it is.
Hey, good to see you. I'm all out of smokes. Give me a carton of blues.
One carton of blues, Vito.
Oui.
Yeah, that's the one. Here it is.
$. Long. Oh merde. $328.
What the fuck?
Hey, Sarge, how you doing? Carton of blues as usual?
I think I'll take the whites this time.
You hear that, Vito? Let's go. Carton of whites. All right. Hand it over.
Thanks, Joe. Now get the hell out of here, will you?
Okay, time to go. Get in, Vito. Next stop is Millville. It's going great today. We're making some serious dough here.
Lui, je le sens pas, lui. Drive tout. Oh, oui, c'est moi. Ok. Bon. Voilà, notre taf, c'est de vendre des cigarettes, quoi. Effrayant. À 2 $ le paquet. Hein. Alors, je pense que c'est des cigares, mais...
So, the kid Marty, he works for Eddie too?
In his dreams. Kid's not even 18 yet. He does jobs for me. Drives me around, makes deliveries, that sort of stuff. Thinks he's a gangster, though. Spends too much damn time at the movies.
Well, if the kid's got you for a role model, he's in for a lot of trouble.
Oh, yeah, wise guy? He reminds me a lot of you when you was his age.
Exactly. And I spent 2 years dodging bullets in Europe and 6 years in the can since I met you. That's what I mean by trouble.
What's the matter? Somebody shit in your coffee this morning? It's like you forgot about all the good times.
Yeah, remind me of those someday, would you?
Voilà, on est bien, là. Bon, il galère de fou, non? Oh, ce camion de pacotille, là. C'est quoi ce tas de ferraille, là? Et freine! Pitié! Ouais, bouge. Voilà.
What do you got, an aversion to red lights?
Chinatown. Ok.
What the fuck are you doing?
Oui,
What's
mais
up
ils sont
there, Rest?
It's
devant.
going like butter today.
Ils avancent
All right, this
pas.
almost makes up for last night. Almost.
Come
Et
on,
mon
what's
camion non
better
plus, il
than
avance
this?
pas
You
d'ailleurs.
got fresh air, good company, and you're making a shitload of dough. Not too bad for a guy who just got out of the slammer.
All right, all right. Listen, if the next few hours are anything like the
Ouais, les
last few
cigarettes, je m'en
hours,
souviens. Hein.
all's forgiven.
There's
Passage.
the Vito
Moi,
I
je sais
know.
équivalent. Bon.
All right, we'll be
Un
there in
moment.
a sec.
Alors après, le reste. Je m'en souviens plus, je crois. Et donc là, on va vendre ici aussi, je suppose.
Hey, a carton of blues, if you please.
Give me a carton of blues. All right, hand it over.
Là, je crois que ça va
Please, sir,
pétarder
you're
ici.
welcome. Come again.
Hi, I'll take a box of Reds.
Je sais plus.
Carton of Reds, Vito. Bingo.
Je sais pas, je sens bien, c'est bien espacé de partout là. Et on va se faire démarrer là. Tiens.
What you selling, Mac?
You buying or just window shopping?
Maybe.
We're selling smokes. $2 a carton, $100 a crate.
I'll make you a deal. You fork over 10 cartons and maybe we'll let you and your buddy get out of here in one piece.
Hey, look, pal. How about you get back in your cute little car with your little friends there and I'll pretend I never seen you. Sound good?
You don't get it, do you, you fat motherfucker? This is our turf. and it's gonna cost you to operate here. Now pay up.
You're the one who doesn't get it. You have any idea who you're talking to? One last chance. You walk away now and...
Yeah, I'll tell you who I'm talking to. A fat two-bit fucking Dago door-to-door salesman hawking stolen cigarettes on my turf. And it's time to close up shop, asshole. Okay, boys? I think it's time for a fire sale. Shit, Joe! Oh, fuck. What do you say now, Porky?
What do I gotta say?
That's what I gotta say.
Come on, hop in that car and let's go. All right, let's get one of these fucks and teach him a lesson.
Ok, on va les choper.
Step on it, Vito. He's getting away.
I got it floored, Joe. This thing won't go any faster.
Je pense qu'on n'a pas la meilleure voiture non plus pour leur draper quoi, mais... Juste pas que je le perde de vue, je pense. Ah, c'est bizarre, il y a personne sur cette route. Alors que de l'autre côté, il y a du bon trafic. Est-ce que c'est fait exprès? Je pense, oui. Pour bien qu'on puisse bombarder comme on veut. Oui, bombarde de fou par contre. Mais une vitesse là.
Ah, shit. Now what?
Shit, we should check in with Eddie. Stop at the nearest phone booth and call him.
Ok, c'était fait exprès. Let's go.
What is this, the Indianapolis Speedway?
Hey, go take a nap or something.
Où est-ce qu'il y a un téléphone? Tch. Il doit y avoir un téléphone quelque part là, non? Il n'y a pas une cabine qui traîne là, tu vas me dire. Ok. Ok.
Eddie, it's me, Vito. Listen, we got a problem. We were moving the smokes, and then these greasers came out of nowhere and set the fucking truck on fire.
What? You fucking kidding me? You couldn't handle a bunch of grease balls? What the fuck happened?
Look, Eddie, hey, listen, it's not our fault, okay? They set the fucking truck on fire before we knew what was happening, and everything burned up. All right, we popped one of the guys, but...
What do I fucking care? Just bring me my money. I paid $2 grand for that truck, and I want it back. Lucky for you two retards, I got Derek's guy Steve here with me. And we were just talking about what to do with those punks. We're gonna take care of them now. Steve will meet you at the Crazy Horse. You know it?
Okay, Crazy Horse, yeah, I know where it is.
Steve's gonna have a few guys with him. Show him that nobody fucks with us. No shooting, though, so it looks like just another gang fight. I don't want to read about a bloodbath in the papers tomorrow.
All right, sure, Eddie. Don't worry. We'll take care of it.
Bon, on va les retrouver, c'est les frérots là.
All right, we gotta meet Steve in front of the Crazy Horse.
Crazy Horse.
Good news is he's gonna help us out. Bad news is Eddie wants his money back.
C'est loin.
All $2 grand of it.
Shit. You really think we're gonna get 2 G's out of these guys?
I don't know. We'll see what Steve's got in mind. You know he ain't doing this out of the kindness of his heart. Let's go.
Okay, go to Crazy Horse.
Eddie was fucking pissed on the phone.
Sure he was. Just like I'm pissed right now.
Bah, normal, tu l'as cramé. C'est de la marchandise qu'on cramé, tu vois, qu'il soit pas énervé. Enfin, qu'il soit
What's
énervé.
Steve doing working for Eddie? He works for Derek, and Derek's with Vinci's crew.
How the hell should I know? But hey, you're still gonna take jobs from Derek, right? Even though you're working for Eddie? We all gotta do what we gotta do to get by.
In pursuit of a speeding vehicle.
Voilà, c'est bon. Voilà. Il tourne à droite. Il continue tout droit, bah voilà. Hein. En vrai, j'ai réalisé, quand on est au moment où je fais en mode, ah, ils vont vouloir me poursuivre là.
What is this, the Indianapolis Speedway?
Hey, go take a nap or something.
Did you not see that light turn red?
Hop. Et on est plus très loin là, je pense. En vrai, ça va, c'est pas si long que ça vu qu'on a été pas mal sur l'espèce d'autoroute là. Tu peux bombarder plus que les autres, plus que les autres routes en vide. Plus rapide. Bon.
Hey, Steve.
Hey. Hey, guys. Marty? What are you doing here?
Hey, Joe. I'm going with you on this one. Steve needed help. He said I could come along.
Steve, isn't this,
Kids gotta learn sometime.
Okay, why are we here, Steve, huh? The guys we're looking for are all headed to the foundry.
This is where they usually meet, so we'll start here, then head over to the foundry to finish the job.
And, why'd you volunteer to help us?
Those bastards trashed my cousin's car. They robbed him and knocked out 3 of his teeth.
Yeah, those fucking assholes. They make problems all over the city. What'd you say
Shut up,
today?
kid. I'm talking here. So, like the Bible says, an eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. And, well, we'll just start with this joint.
So what's the plan?
First, we're gonna trash this place.
And how are we gonna do that?
With this. Go ahead, boys.
Hey, come on, guys.
Now you can either help us or stay out of our way.
Let's go teach these fuckers a lesson.
What the fuck was that?
That's fucking beautiful!
Let's go. J'ai plus de munitions, mais... Ah, ça c'est bien. Ça, c'est un bon taf de mafieux, ça. Ça, c'est bien. Casse tout. Casse les vitres. Voilà.
Okay, that's enough. Let's leave him a little present. Vito, Marty, I got some Molotov cocktails in the trunk. Go get them and throw them in.
My pleasure, Steve.
Oh, donne-moi des molotovs, frérot. Ok.
What are you waiting for? Grab the bottle and chuck it in. It ain't that hard.
That'll teach them.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right, now we go to the foundry. Get in, boys. We'll meet you two at the main gate.
See you there.
Ah oui, on a notre voiture, c'est vrai. My bad. Eh. La caméra fait n'importe quoi. Ok, parfait. Bon, cette voiture, c'est bien de la daube. Hein. Arrête de drifter. Pitié, arrête de drifter. Ok. Fire Bay Forge. Voilà cette bagarre là. Là, ça va être bagarre là.
Hey, how'd you get in here?
Follow the fucking yellow brick road.
Ouais, bagarre.
Next.
Ha, nice one.
You fuckers are dead.
Joe, watch out!
Thanks, kid.
Shit, they got guns. Let them have it.
Cover me!
Hey, what's going on?
They teach you that in the army? I'm going in.
I got one of them.
Don't be so gentle, boys.
What are you scared, asshole?
Help over
Gonna
here!
leave some for me, asshole. Go, go, go. I got you covered.
Des balles qui traînent là.
I got something for you, you bastard!
How about this, asshole?
Hey, save some for me!
All right, showtime, Vito. Is that the fucking best you got? Oh, you're in trouble. I'm the
Oh, il a
best.
pris sa tête lui.
Way to get you. Back me up, Vito.
I'll be alright though.
I'm back.
You know who you're fucking with? I'm gonna try and flank him.
Got you covered, Vito. Move.
Let's go. Hurry
Way to
up
go,
and
Vito.
Got you
Kill that
covered. Move.
Ok. Oh, il y a encore à l'autre côté. Ah ouais. Des balles, hein. Y a pas un pompe. Genre, ou je sais pas, une. Oh, ça j'aime bien ça. Même un garant, j'aime bien. Attends, la bouffe, là ça me donne de la vie, hein. Oui, let's go. Alors, il se monte ces fumiers là. Ils sont cachés où les fumées?
See you in hell,
Got you covered,
asshole.
Vito. Move. Back me up, Vito.
Nice fucking shot! That
Okay,
asshole
all
shot
right,
me!
Vito. Here we go.
Fuck!
Fuck you, you fucking fuck. Cover me, asshole.
Is that the fucking best you got? Oh, you're in trouble.
I got you covered. Move!
You're
Move!
fucking dead.
On est pas mal.
Over there! I ain't scared of any of you!
Ça c'est bien, c'est la bagarre qu'on aime ça.
Oh my god, I actually shot somebody.
Alors ils se barrent en courant les frérots là?
Come out. I know you're here.
Toi t'es mort.
Look out, he's got a gun.
Toi tu prends ta tête.
That asshole shot
All right,
me.
Vito, go, go, go.
Kiss your ass goodbye.
Yeah, nice one, Vito.
Boum, tête.
Hey, everything all right over there?
Oh, that asshole shot me. Fuck.
Got him now.
Oh, shit.
Voilà, ça dégage.
I'm going in.
Alors le frérot tout seul là.
Stay sharp, Vito.
We got him now.
All right, showtime, Vito. Way to go, Vito.
Trying
Balin
to
mort.
hide. Let's
You
go.
shoot like my
Hurry up and
sister.
kill him.
I won't want to get on your bad side.
Ok.
What, did everybody run away?
Voilà, on leur a bien dit les termes là.
I'm gonna try and flank him.
Listen, this got way out of hand. Eddie's not gonna be too happy.
Eddie'll be fine. What are we gonna do? Just let him kill us? These fucking dirtbags won't be bothering nobody no more.
What now, Steve?
Now I'm gonna go home and see if that castor oil's working. I've been blocked up for weeks. I'll see yous later.
Joe and I still got a lot of work to do. We'll catch you later.
Shit, where are we gonna get the 2 G's for Eddie?
You got any idea how much a car like this goes for?
Damn, Vito, you're a genius. These babies ain't cheap, right? I bet Derek would give us at least $1,000 for that one. All right, I'm gonna drive this baby over to Derek's. I'll meet you back at the Falcon.
Bon,
Sounds
bah,
like a plan. I'll see you at the
alors-
bar. Ah, damn it.
Ça a l'air stylé leur. Ouah, ça va être tellement des. Ok. C'est parti. Faut les vendre les voitures là. Très bien. Par contre, ça bombarde ces voitures là. Ouais, ça bombarde tellement que j'en loupe la sortie. Par le virage. Allez, avance. Je crois que c'est encore un peu loin. Mais je pense pas, ouais. J'ai rien dit, c'est encore loin. J'ai rien dit, c'est loin. Oh, le flic qui m'a rien dit. Ah, si, je me disais aussi. C'est abusé. Mais non, mais c'est abusé. Il-toi, Vito. Pitié, il-toi. Le hot rod, il est en très mauvais état du coup. Il a pris un poteau, mon gars. Ah, du coup, il avance plus beaucoup. Hein. Il avance plus très vite, quoi. Allez, let's go. Encore loin ou non, ah ouais, mais d'accord, on a fait du en haut de la carte jusqu'en bas, quoi. Ah. Et là, je tourne. Normalement, on est plus très loin, là. Il y a les flics, faut que je fasse gaffe. Oh, mais vas-y, ils peuvent pas tourner à gauche, les flics, là, vraiment. Non, ils peuvent pas. Je peux même pas les dépasser parce que si je dépasse, ça va dire que je suis trop rapide. Ah, mais ça, je m'en souviens de ça. C'est le collègue, là. « 1950 !» Oh ouais, rentable. J'essaie de voler une caisse qui roule assez vite, qui a l'air pas trop dégueulasse. Et puis on est bien. Y'a rien à voler là. Hein. Je suis un fou, y'a un flic, je suis un fou. Je suis un malade. Il y avait un flic juste à côté. Ouais. J'adore le risque.
Ah, damn it.
Ok. Je suis mort.
Possible stolen vehicle.
Pas douter.
Copy that.
Avance.
Vehicle theft in progress. In pursuit of suspect. Roger that.
M'en fous, ça wanted. Restez sûr. Je suis loin ou pas? Non, ça va. On laisse semer les autres. Ok.
You're listening to ECNR, Empire Central Radio. Empire Bay's home for that hot new rock and roll sound. ECNR.
Dum 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 doo dum 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 doo dum doo dum dum doo dum.
So?
Is the money.
Well, that's a fucking relief. Stupid fucking junkies. Now they know their place. Good work, boys. Here's your cut.
Thanks, Eddie. So, you need anything else from us today, or is that it? I got something I gotta take care of.
No, that's all for today. I'll call you if I need anything.
Nice. Go home. Et du coup, ça va être la fin du chapitre, là, je suppose.
Oh, welcome, welcome. I see you again soon, huh?
Il est en vrai. Par où? Barre de compte. Là. C'est par là, non? What? Ah, ok, là. On fout qu'ils soient recherchés. Ça monte même pas au max, ça me tue, tellement ils sont Il se retourne pas. Aïe. Mais en fait, la barre max, c'est quand ils s'en rendent compte, du coup. Il tourne. Ah ouais, si. En plus, la barre monte pas au max, c'est tranquille. En fait, le temps que la barre de recherche elle monte, j'ai le temps de me barrer, du coup. C'est marrant. Genre, il capte pas direct. Du coup, c'est facile de se barrer quand t'es recherché. Déjà, c'est une voiture assez rapide, tu peux les semer à la moitié de la barre de recherche. Donc, en vrai. Au calme. Bon, bah, ça ferme moins. Ah, peut-être le porter, non? Non, il veut pas que je le porte, le pylône. Oh, ils m'ont vu. Ah, mais je m'en fous, je suis déjà loin. Ah, là, je vais me faire niquer, là. Je vais tourner. Et ouais. Let's go. Non, c'est en bas. Ah, je sais même plus où c'est. Ah non. Non, c'est tout en haut alors. Donc, c'est tout en haut. Ok. Allez.